Hello friends, today's question is we have been given a open loop transfer function and we have to find the minimum damping possible as k is varied. Okay, so k is varied from 0 to infinity, so we can plot a root locus and when we can see what is the minimum damping. Okay, so how to proceed? We know that there are two poles and a 0. The pole is located at s equals to 0 and s equals to -2, and the 0 is located at s equals to -5. Now how to plot the root locus? The root locus will look like this. Two branches will be coming out from -2 and 0, and they will diverge. Okay, and they will diverge, and one of them will go to infinity. Okay, and another will be uh, going to -5. Okay, because that is a 0. The root locus shall start from pole and ends at 0. So this is how the root locus will look like. Now you can see that this is a kind of form which can be compared with this. Okay, which where gs is equal to k into s plus b over s plus a. Okay, now here b should be more than a. Okay, so this is the case for us also. Okay, because 5 is more than 2, so for us b is 5, 5 is more than 2. Now when this is the case, okay, then this path, okay, this path is a circular path. Okay, and the radius of that circular path is at minus b comma 0. Okay, and its radius is under root b square minus ab. Okay, so the center will be for us, because b is -5, so it will be -5 comma 0, and radius is equal to, okay, radius of this circle is going to be b square is 25 minus 5 into 2, so it will be root 15. Okay, so now what we can do is, we have these two information. Now see, we have to find the minimum damping, okay, for the system. So what we can do is, the minimum damping will occur when this root locus is closer to j omega axis. Okay, so the closest point to j omega axis will be a point, okay, which will be lying on this circle. Okay, now uh, to find which is the closest point, what we can do is, from 0 or from origin, we can draw a tangent to the circle. Okay, so this is the tangent to the circle. Okay, so once we draw the tangent to the circle, it is going to intersect the root locus only at one point. Okay, so that is the point which is going to be uh, farthest from the or closest to the j omega axis. Okay, that point is going to be closest to the j omega axis. Okay, now what we do is, how to find this value of that point. Okay, or so that we can calculate zeta, what we do is, we uh, we know that a tangent, okay, a tangent cuts at a it touches at a point, and when we join that point with the center of the circle, it forms a right triangle. Okay, this angle is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, so if I say this as a, b and c, then angle a b c is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, so here let us see here also a b c, so this abc angle is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, now already what we know is our ab is r. Okay, this is the radius, and already we know that is root 15, so ab is equal to r is equal to root 15. Okay, also what we know is this distance ac. Okay, this distance ac is going to be 5. Okay, though this distance is 5. Now again, if we are able to calculate this theta, okay, this theta, okay, this theta, that this is cos inverse of zeta. Okay, so if we are able to calculate this theta, means the theta which is given here, then it is going to be cos inverse of zeta. Okay, so how to calculate this theta? Okay, so you have with you AB length and AC length, so you can use the Pythagoras theorem and find BC. So BC is going to be 5 squared minus under root 15 whole squared. Okay, BC squared will be, okay, so this is going to be your b squared is going to be 10, and bc is going to be root 10. Okay, so this is the length of bc. Now once you got BC, what you can do is you can use cos theta. Okay, you can use cos theta is equal to BC over AC. Okay, you can see in this triangle cos theta is equal to BC over AC. Already we know that now we have calculated BC as root 10 over AC. AC is going to be 5. Okay, so this is our cos theta. Okay, now you know that from here if you calculate theta, it is going to be cos inverse of root 10 by 5. Okay, I already told you that this is going to be cos inverse of zeta. Okay, so if you compare with this, when we get zeta is equal to root 10 by 5. Okay, now if you calculate this comes out to be 0.632. Okay, so option B is the correct option for this question. Okay, so this is how you need to proceed, okay, for this kind of questions. Okay, so thanks for watching.